I'm at my friend's house, and this is the first time I've seen this book by Dr. Rod Lloyd, Cuckoo Clock Owner's Manual, okay? And then in the back of the book, he's got like 2 pages on alarm clocks, 3 pages on pocket watches. There is no way that you can give people information on pocket watches to where they can take them apart and put them back together in 3 pages. I guess his computer messed up, or the publishing people messed up, but this book has got to do with cuckoo clocks, but yet there's alarm clocks, and pocket watches. That don't make any sense whatsoever to me. And my buddy's laughing. So, Rod, you might know what you're talking about, but I think you could have wrote a better book. Your pictures aren't that well.